fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to your YouTube channel name. Today, we've got an exciting project that will help you set up a home gym with rubber matting easily. It's a fantastic way to create a comfortable and safe workout space in the comfort of your own home. Stick around as we walk you through the entire process step by step. Step 1. Choosing the right rubber matting. The first step to creating your home gym is choosing the right rubber matting. We have a range of options here, and I'll help you pick the perfect one based on your specific needs, budget, and workout preferences. Step 2. Measuring your space. Now that we've got our rubber matting, it's time to measure your workout space. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure the mats fit perfectly and provide the right amount of coverage and cushioning. Step 3. Preparing the floor. Before you lay down the rubber matting, you'll want to prepare your floor properly. We'll show you how to clean and ensure a flat, even surface for your gym mats. Step 4. Installing the rubber matting. With your floor prep, it's time to install the rubber matting. We'll guide you through the process of laying down the mats, securing them in place, and ensuring a snug fit. Step 5. Arranging your gym equipment. Once the mats are in place, it's time to arrange your gym equipment. We'll help you set up your weights, cardio machine, and other gear to create an efficient and aesthetically pleasing home gym. Step 6. Final tips and safety measures. Before we wrap up, we'll share some final tips and safety measures to keep in mind while working out in your new home gym. Safety is a top priority, so we'll cover things like proper lifting techniques and equipment maintenance. And there you have it, your very own home gym with rubber matting. It's a fantastic addition to any fitness routine, and we hope this video has been helpful in making the process easy for you. Thanks for joining us on this journey to create your perfect home gym.